We're filming a documentary. A day in the life of a tour guide. Hey, a day in the life of a tour guide. Wow, I just about dropped my cucumbers. We're headed out to feed the ducks a little cucumber this morning. Oh boy, let me turn this around. How do I do this? This will be my first video. You walk backwards? How do people do this? Good Lord. Well, let me just show you this. This is what we're doing. And my ducks have already been having a duck fight. Yes, it's good to see you too. There's our ducks. LIBMR ducks. Just cleaned their pen and filled their water bowl all the way up their little pond. And look at it now. It's almost half gone and they pooped in it. Every one of you. Well, more later. Cora. Good to meet you. How old are you, Cora? You're 6? What do you do for a living? Hey, you spend all your money. That's her job. That's what she's supposed to do. You spend all his money and then get in her pocketbook and get all that. Buy it all in ice cream. I'm going to show you the best ice cream in town. It's called rolled ice cream. Oh, we're loading them up. We're getting ready to go out on a duck tour. You want to go? Come on, let's go. Garrett, are you on here? Man, you're in trouble. Garrett's not on here, sir. We're filming a documentary. A day in the life of a tour guide. And I'm a tour guide.
Better pee in there than pee on here, right?
You can pee out the window.
I'm gonna be cool.
Take up on that one.
I mean, you don't want to talk to the girls. All right, this thing I got. Here comes the drawbridge, you guys. Ain't this fun? I got it. Woo. They made it right at the last stroke of midnight for the ball. I'm glad you made it.
Yeah, me too.
Thank you guys.
You're going that way, there's a crash down there.
Uh-oh. Captain, can we go any other way? I don't think we can go any other way. Is there a crash right on Main Street?
Right on the street right here.
Yeah, damn it. All right, there's a crash. These are all things that you deal with when you're on. I'm crazy busy. It's a full-time job. Hey, Captain, I can't shut the door. All right, we're in. Everybody ready? Let's go on a duck ride. All right, guys. Well, it's the end of the day. This is, I did 4 today. So here's the people. Let me see. How do I turn this around? Can you turn this around? There's the people. All right, I'm getting ready to go for the last show of the day. We're going to go out here and tear it up. Let me show you real quick what happens. I'll get better at this, but we go out this door here. There you go. Up that ramp and onto the duck. And it is so darn fun. Come on, everybody. Get out here. Look at this day. Look at this day. Come on. Get out. Enjoy it. Get people around you that are positive. Make good, positive choices. Be happy. Love everything. Shoot, you're down here in the Ozarks. Come on now. Here in a little while, we'll have ducks to show you, and that's going to be super fun. I'm just, we're not done training those dudes yet. There is our drawbridge. How cool is that? You get to go on this drawbridge, and then you come in here, and you get to ride on this here duck. What do you think of that? Pretty fun. So you guys have a great day. I'm sorry I'm so shaky, and I'll figure this out. Maybe I'll do another one. Anyway, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.